What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flat Routes back to you guys with another shop tour video showing you guys our work, showing you what we're working on. This is another week. We have 2 Cybertrucks in the shop. Yesterday we actually have 4 because some have window tint, etc. We have 2 right now that are getting full services, tint and PPF on one, a commercial printed custom design wrap for Sprenz Law, which is an attorney here in Las Vegas, Kevin Sprenz. On the other one, I'm gonna show you guys that. We also have some buses for Grand Canyon. The Acura that I just showed on the video was fully wrapped in pearl white a couple of years back, and it got in an accident, so we just replaced the panel. And then that TRX is getting a paint correction and ceramic coating. Let me flip the camera. I'm gonna show you guys around. We got a lot going on. Very blessed, very thankful for the business we get from the community here in Las Vegas, and very happy and willing to support anybody that's looking to get a quote, looking to get anything done. We guarantee our service. The one thing I guarantee you is the best possible customer service ever when it comes to getting your car wrapped, protected, PPF, or ceramic coating. Let me flip the camera. I show you guys the Cybertrucks starting from the back of the shop. So this one is, again, Sprenz Law. Look at the black. The original's on the black. This is a printed black. Obviously, we're printing house, so all this stuff was designed live with the customer on a 3D rendering software. It's a simple design, rather, so we could do that. And then everything's printed here in-house. This truck was dropped off yesterday, designed yesterday, came in for window tint. The windows are already tinted. It ended up with a wrap because the customer wanted to customize it. Let me kind of show you the side print. We had to print the entire graphic in one shot in order to get everything to line up, everything to flow. So basically the rear is black and then it goes to white on the front. Got the attorney logo on there and have the foundation letters, series letters. And then this one we're doing a satin black paint protection film on the entire truck. It's also dropped off yesterday, was prepped, film was cut, and now we're at it. So the bed is laid on this side, the bed is getting laid, and the doors are getting laid on this side. So this is paint protection film that comes with a 10-year warranty and obviously changes the look. So we can also accomplish this with vinyl for basically about almost half the cost, maybe a little bit more. A lot cheaper, a lot quicker, but this is gonna last a lot longer. The vinyl doesn't have a 10-year warranty, so this is why people are opting for PPF, because it will protect the truck in this case while also restyling it. Then now to put in contrast, you have a Bentley Bentayga right here with a satin black color change wrap. Put it on these angles, you can kind of see the black on this is a little more brownish, if you will, when you compare to that. It's more of a rich black. But it looks really good nevertheless. It's a little dusty as well, so by the time it's cleaned up, it's gonna look a lot better. By the time it gets the ceramic coating, we're also doing the calipers on this one. And then we're gonna be doing door logos for the customer. He's Sam Coleman. He's a luxury realtor here in Las Vegas. If you want a luxury property, Sam is the man. Check out his Instagram. That van is getting window tinting. We use XPEL ceramic tint, so we're doing the 2 doors, those triangle windows there, and then obviously the windshield to have heat rejection. And then we have a couple of buses in the shop today, one inside, one outside. This is for qualified river runners over in Grand Canyon West. We started both of these buses yesterday. The one outside is basically fully completed. We have the bottom strip on both sides, some decals on the back and front, and then it's missing some letters up here. Getting both done in 2 days as they have an event on Wednesday, and we promise to deliver, so we're delivering. Then with commercial wraps, you get a lot of commercial wrap customers, a lot of customers with commercial vehicles that come to us and repeat business. They'll get their business started, they'll get a truck, and then they'll come back a year, 2 years later, sometimes 6 months later, got another truck, and then it keeps growing. One of our clients, actually Bob's Repair, had a van here yesterday. Sorry about that. I won't be editing that out because, again, I like our YouTube videos to be 100% unedited, 100% real. We don't stage our visits. If you come to us for a tour, we'll show you the shop live as things are going on. You'll see the work we're doing. So right now it's like if you're in the shop. So again, this customer got a truck we did a year back, and now he got a second one, which we're wrapping to match. And I was talking about Bob's Repair. We started with Bob's Repair when they had like 4 vehicles, and they have 30 now. And we've done them all. We got another one coming in today from them, actually, Silverado. This truck is actually, if you look at our videos, we did a pre-horsed or pre-valsed. RV, $2.5 million RV is the title of the video. We did a paint correction and ceramic coating. The customer loved it. He came in the next day, dropped off his Corvette. He came in now, dropped off his truck for a ceramic coating, paint correction, because he saw, the work and how good it looked. And so obviously wants to get it on this truck as well and get the protection. The Rolls Royce, we thought it was fully completed by kind of what we had initially talked about to the customer, but now we're getting some things added. We're waiting for the supplier to open. We're gonna be wanting to wrap this in either chrome or white, possibly white to match the wheels, and then wanting to wrap the mirror in chrome. The grill area, he wants to add it in chrome. It's a little dirty on this side right now, so we're cleaning it with steaming water, but he wants to do the grill area. We personally have left it black because it's a Rolls Royce black badge, and that's kind of, you want to show the black, right? But he doesn't want to show any black. He wants everything rose gold and white. So we're gonna be adding that to it, getting it done, and then it'll be good to go. We're probably gonna be doing rose gold on there, rose gold on the bottom as well. Again, depending upon the manufacturer, the distributor having all the material available for the timeline we have, is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be contacting the customer. Again, if you're in Las Vegas, you want to protect, or in surrounding areas, you want to customize your commercial vehicle, paint correct your vehicle, do paint protection film on a vehicle, anything, window tinting, ceramic coating, paint protection film, we would love to help you. We promise. We're not a transactional business. We don't want just your business on this vehicle. We want your business for life. And therefore, we're going to treat you with love, respect, kindness, and provide you the best possible services. I mean, we answer to our customers and to our leads, even on Sundays, to provide information they're requesting and provide pricing. And that's the same level of service that goes after the work is completed. You have questions, we got you. One thing we do is we do also a 2-week inspection, meaning once the job is completed, we will have you come back in about 2 weeks and do an inspection of the vehicle to make sure everything's settling right. Again, thank you for watching. Got a few vehicles lined up here. Bentley Bentayga, got powder coated wheels, painted calipers, satin black wrap, the Cybertruck, window tint, black paint protection film, Cybertruck, ceramic coating, custom wrap, custom commercial wrap, and window tinting. And I'll end the video by showing you guys the powder coated wheels. You can also change the color of your wheels. And it comes with wheel repair. So any damage on the wheel, we will repair first, and then we'll go ahead and get it wrapped up for you. Thank you for watching Purple Flare Wraps. Keep us in mind if you need any of our services, and if you're actually looking for the service and you're watching the video because you're already talking to us, this is basically a shop tour recorded live to show you guys everything we do and what we stand for. Thank you for watching.